Hello friends, so today I am going to do tea bag rocket experiment. So the material required to perform the experiment is tea bag, scissors and matchstick. So first of all we need to remove the label from the tea bag. I have already done it, so I am not going to do it again. Now we need to separate out the tea leaves and make the tea bag stand upright. Let's set fire to the tea bag and watch what happens. Now, what's the reason behind tea bag experiment? The reason behind tea bag experiment is the density difference. When we set fire to the tea bag experiment, it energizes the air particles inside tea bag. As you can see in the diagram, the air inside becomes hot and the outer air is relatively colder. As a result, the air becomes hotter inside compared to the outside. The hotter air is less dense, but the density of cold air is more. This density difference causes the tea bag to rise. Therefore, the tea bag rises in order to compensate the difference in density. So my second experiment is a stylus pen. Now I have made this stylus pen using a simple ballpoint pen and wires. Now the material required to make the stylus pen is, as I have told, a pen, wire, cutter, scissors, cotton and cold water. Now first of all we need to take up the pen, open its bottom. Now peel off the wire using a cutter to take out its plastic covering. Then take out a bit of wire. I have already taken out a string of wire. So now I am gonna insert this one of the end of the wire to the top of the pen. Stretch it so that it does not have curves. Now insert the second end to the other end. Now the wire has been inserted. Now I will insert the bottom of the pen. The step is done. Now we need to take a bit of cotton, dip it in the water to make the tip of the pen. Now I have made this tip of the pen. I am going to insert it. And your stylus is ready to work. Now I have already made a stylus. Now I will tell you how to use it. How does it work? We can type anything using this stylus. For example, I show you. I can type anything, like, let me select the color. Look how smoothly does it work. You can do anything, operate your phone, play games or do anything. So just using a simple ballpoint pen and a bit of cotton, we can make a stylus to be used at home. Thank you.